Hello everyone, happy new year. This is wishing you all a very beautiful 2022. Welcome back to my channel. I thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are making carrot and the orange juice, and I will also be adding in some lemons. I have 2 lemons here. I'll go ahead now and wash the oranges and the lemons, cut and squeeze them before we go on with the carrots. Here we have the orange juice ready, and I also have the lemon juice ready also. We set them aside and then move on to the carrots. I'll use knife and peel out the carrot skin or scrape it out. If you have potato peeler, you can use it to peel off the skin. Peeling off the skins, I'll then wash it again and then cut it for blending. I'm not using juicer, so I'm going to cut it so that it will be easier for the blender to blend it smooth. But if you are using juicer to juice the carrot, you don't need to cut it, or you may not need to cut it into smaller chunks like this. I'm done cutting the carrots. I'll now add the carrots into the blender. Add little water to blend the carrots. After blending, we now pour into a sieve or strainer and then And here we have our carrot juice. The next step now is to bring the orange juice and the lemon juice and mix all of them together. And orange juice is ready. You can serve this chilled or with some ice cubes. You can equally drink it like that. This is very healthy and enjoyable. I hope you give it a for watching. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.